All right, now to new developments in the battle to block enforcement of Michigan's 1931 abortion law. The Michigan Legislature says it plans to step in as the defendant and fight to keep that law in place if Roe gets overturned. Megan Woods is live tonight. Megan, this was thought to be over, but not so.
Yeah, I mean, until yesterday, that's when the legislature made a motion to intervene in Planned Parenthood's lawsuit. And now Attorney General Dana Nessel is standing her ground. She says she's planning not to enforce Michigan's abortion ban if Roe versus Wade is overturned.
It is highly unusual.
But it is a game changer. Legal analyst and former U.S. Attorney Barbara McQuaid says Planned Parenthood's lawsuit was intended to stop the enforcement of Michigan's 1931 law that would make abortion a felony if Roe versus Wade was overturned.
The plaintiffs, Planned Parenthood in this case, won their initial injunction by default. I mean, they won on the merits, but there was no opposing party there to argue the other side. And so now that was just a preliminary ruling, but now the Michigan Legislature will be there. They'll hire a lawyer to represent them.
A judge has to make a decision on whether the parties have a real interest at stake to intervene.
I would think the legislature is such a party. This is a statute they passed.
Michigan Republican lawmakers are speaking out. State Representative Pamela Hornberger of the 32nd District called the lawsuit phony, illegitimate, and outrageous, saying, quote, as the people's representatives, the legislature has a responsibility to intervene to defend our law. We will use every tool at our disposal to defend Michigan law and protect the life of the unborn. On the other end, Attorney General Dana Nessel said, quote, while many of my colleagues in the legislature want to strip women of their rights, I will continue to protect women's reproductive health and their fundamental right to make decisions over their own bodies. And again, the biggest factor in all of this is the Supreme Court's ruling on Roe versus Wade, and that decision is expected later this month or early July. I'm Megan Woods, Local 4.
We'll continue to follow it, Megan. Thank you.